your mom's phone. How can I help you? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I post different things on my channel. Usually Thursdays and Sundays is when you'll catch my newer videos. Today I'm going to be playing with this adorable little holiday kit from Colourpop that I picked up at Target because I was there getting some things at a Starbucks, and then this came and it was so cute. Look at it. They have like a couple, but this is the one that kind of like popped out at me. I'm a very much like mauve, I don't know why I'm showing it to myself. I'm very much a mauve-y girl, but I've been trying browns because browns have just got my attention. I feel like this kind of does a little bit of both right now, so I figured why not try it. I love Colourpop. I don't know if you know this. I have a whole playlist dedicated to Colourpop on my channel. You can go check it out. I probably post like one Colourpop video like at least once a month or every other month. It's often. So I have most of my face done. We're going to come in with this. It is the Jolly Vibes Holiday Kit from Colourpop. Very cute, very adorable. The palette is this cute little doodle here. The palette is called Jingle On. And this is a gel liner, which I didn't know. I thought it was like for your lips or something. I don't know what I thought. Anyway, so this liner, it's a gel liner. It's called Joyride. That's cute. Anywho, let's open this and give it a go. We'll see. Have you guys seen these at your Targets? I know Colourpop has them online, but oh my god. Look, so the outside candy canes, and the inside candy canes. Colourpop, come on, every time. How cute. This is adorable. I love Colourpop packaging. I don't know if you can tell, like behind me I have like a plethora and like one Kylie Jenner thing, I think. I love it. Anyway, so this is a cute little palette. They all have names. Shut the front door. Okay, so let me just, are you okay? Yeah, they're okay. All right, so let me show you because they're backwards. So this is like on the back it's like different for me, but let me try and show you. So this is Party Hour, Be Extra, Cranberry Punch, Very Merry, and then Gift Time. Very pretty. You can do a lot of different looks for this. I want to try, oh gosh, there's some sparkles here. I want to try a few different looks with this, honestly, just to see what I can get out of it. And then this liner, look, goodness great, look at her, she's deep. What do you want me to do with that? That's real. Look at that. It's very it's more on the darker side. Ooh, this is a good, I don't know, we'll see where this goes. I don't have any plans for anything per usual, so we're just gonna go with this and see how it goes. Let me get, where's my handy dandy little mirror? Where does it run? Oh, it's right here. The one day I have everything ready to go and I'm like, where is everything? Okay, so let's come in. I don't want to prime my eyes today. I do not, because Colourpop is so pigmented. I'm not going to prime my eyes today. Also, I'm staying in the house today, or I hope I stay in the house all day. So if something happens, we're okay. Otherwise, I'm going to be getting this done and then enjoying the look inside. So hopefully nothing to mess up my look. I'm going to come in with Be Extra as like my transition shade. And I'm going to puff it. What did I forget? What did I say? What did I say? Look at this. I'm like, I'm just going to put it in the crease and then buff up and buff down. And now I have no choice. Okay. This looks lovely on its own. I'm going to just drag my excess under my eye because this is so pretty. This looks pretty nice on its own. I do enjoy it. I love mattes. Oh my god, I love mattes. Anyway, off topic. Same well, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna come in with the same brush. I'm gonna do Very Merry, just a little. If this doesn't quit closing on me, like, I have to hold it like this, like it's a full palette. Okay, I'm just gonna come and do the outside here, and then like the crease, outer crease maybe. There we go. Better. Okay. Alright, we got that blended in there. Not a huge difference, a little bit of depth, but that's what I wanted, so that's good. Let me wipe that off real quick. We're gonna come in with this next color, Gift Time, and I do this every time. I do not intend to use all the colors, but I end up using all the colors because they are so cute and I do enjoy them very much. So let's come in with Gift Time. And I'm actually gonna bring my handy dandy little mirror up closer. Ooh, yep. A little bit darker there, just a smidgen. Okay, not bad. This one looks bad, but not terrible. This one looks better, but not bad. I really want to take this Gift Time and kind of drag it everywhere, but I'm trying to be good. I don't need to because we have a gel liner that I'm going to come in with right now. I really wanted to do more dark on the outer end edge corner of my lid. The Gift Time one, this one here at the end, the super pretty dark one, but I was like, no, we shouldn't do that. I am, however, gonna come in with Party Hour. It looked like Fairy Hour for a second there. I am just struggling with like showing you everything. So I'm gonna come in with Party Hour because I like to come in with the lighter sparkle glitter pigmenty looking things. Let me grab my mirror again. So I like to come with the lighter one first because I'm going to use the same brush and then I'll dig into my deeper in a minute. Very nice. Alright, then I'm going to come in with Cranberry Punch, which sounds delicious, and now I'm hungry. And I'm going to pick up where this one left off, and then scoot towards the middle here. Okay, so side note, just so we all know, this looks gorgeous. I can see it in my viewfinder. It looks nice. We have very like light shimmers. It's good. If you come in with these bad boys with your finger, you are going to get the most insane amount of payoff on the planet. I'm not doing that currently because I want to go for a more lighter matte look, and I feel like I have achieved it. I've used the whole palette. Yes, Jingle on. Let me wipe this off. Otherwise, I'm going to get this all over the place. I'm going to come in with the gel liner, the BFF Cream Gel Liner in the shade Joyride. Oh, it's a matte. Huh? Let's see how this goes. Very lovely. 10 out of 10. Hello, recommend. This is nice. This is beautiful. I really want to drag this across my bottom lash line, but I'm not. I'm not. We're not. I'm gonna come in with mascara, I promise. We're done. I'm doing mascara, okay? Mascara. See? I told you, just mascara. Calm down. I didn't line my lash line like I wanted to. We're fine. This is gorgeous. I love this. Okay, now we're gonna finish this off. I kind of wish this came with like a lippy of some sort, but because it didn't, I'm not mad. I have this huge, giant box of lippies right here from Colourpop. Let's see which one I want to use. Which one are, ooh. Okay, so this one was upside down and it's kind of perfect actually. It's a matte too. So let's go with this real quick. Scoot to the side. Before I forget, let me introduce you. This is my Colourpop Lippy Sticks in the shade Love Life. It is a matte. Matte X? I don't know what that means, but I have yet to use this one. Bought this huge giant box with the intention of using every color all the time, always, and like, I'm trying. This is nice. Well, duh, you can see it. This is lovely. Oh my gosh. It's matte, but it's very soft. I want to say this is more of like a velvet. Just how it feels. I should have done a lip liner, which by the way, I also have this jumbo box of, ooh, sorry, Haunted Mansion, lippy liners from Colourpop too, sitting back on my shelf because I do use them. Not all the time every day, but I do use them often enough. Anywho. This is so nice. Alright, this is everything. This is the whole look for the Colourpop Jolly Vibes little box that I picked up from Target. And then this whole little Jingle On eyeshadow palette. Beautiful. I love the way it came out. It is so pretty. I do wish I came with some kind of a lippy. Maybe like a, what are their new lip products? I can't think of any and I don't have any right here. Ooh, actually, hold up. So, yeah. So I know they have the tinted lip oil. They have, Colourpop has the tinted lip oil, but I also know they have the just a tint lip crayons, which I absolutely adore. I feel like one of those would have been perfect in this box as well. Having to pay a little extra might have been okay with me if that's how this would have went, but this is how it is. Oh, my bad. This is how things are. This is really nice. I feel like this is going to probably be my Thanksgiving look this year. I like this. I do. Very simple, very dark, very like bold lip. I'm into it. This is good. Let me know if you guys ended up picking up one of those Colourpop eyeshadow and gel liner sets from Target. I know they have other sets, but I didn't pick those up. I picked up one of these. I think they had like 3 or 4. But anyway, let me know if you picked up anything from Colourpop for the holidays in the comments below. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!